Firstly, I always see telling we are part of the 7 billion human being. If someone have some third eye, then maybe something different. Otherwise, you see, 2 eyes, see, one nose, same, no? Except you see some more hair. Otherwise, you see, we're all same. And you see, behind this face, our emotion, same emotionally, mentally, same. So therefore, the 7 billion human beings, see, we all same human being. And then most important, every human being wants joyful life, happy life. Then I think from childhood, we know love, affection is the source of happiness. When child, so mother show love, affection with mother's milk, the child feel very happy. When the child is a few moments separate from mother and then cry. That's the way our life starts. We are social animal. We all come from our mother. So that's basic human nature. So my mother, very, very kind. Almost, see, we never saw my mother angry face. Always smile. And always give something. When you see some poor family, including beggar, come, my mother sometimes cry. And my family poor, but whatever in the kitchen, some bread, she always give them. So I usually describe my first guru or teacher of compassion is my mother. I learned the compassion. So that's basic human nature. Now some scientists say basic human nature is more compassionate. See, when they explain, see, they show one sort of picture, one child, 6-month-old child, language not yet developed. So basic human nature is because of that, unspoiled. With language, then sometimes our basic good nature little spoiled. So 6-month-old child, very pure. Then, one sort of cartoon. In the cartoon, 2 children, say, helping each other with smile. And one child pushing one ball, because a ball, a word. And then another child also come helping to pushing. When that picture, 저서 연어 계시다. 뛰면 디퍼스 봐샤. 네네. that's when she saw a cartoon, two children helping each other with smile. The 6-month-old child also smiling. Then another sort of, the same sort of cartoon. Two children, you see, negative attitude. So, when the 6-month-old child is seeing that negative thing, unhappy expression, so they use such picture. The basic human nature is more compassionate. When 6-month-old child seeing more compassionate attitude, feels happy. When negative attitude, unhappy. Then more important, the constant anger eating our immune system. Medical scientists, they say. So, more compassionate mind brings inner peace. That's very important for healthy body, for our health. So these days, many occasions when I give public talk, I'm mentioning the in education, we need from kindergarten up to university level some teaching about how to develop peace of mind. Not talking about next life or nirvana or moksha, simply how to create happy individual, happy family, through that way, happy world. So therefore, I am telling in our education from kindergarten level, we should include some knowledge how to create healthy physical, similarly healthy mind. So I usually call because a hygiene of physical, same time hygiene of emotion. That's something important. So therefore, the real source of this basic human love, human compassion, all major world tradition is the emphasis, love, forgiveness, tolerance. So I usually say, use some sort of argument. Basic human nature is more compassion. So all religion is human beings' religion. So therefore, logically, all religion main message is message of love. And with that, message of forgiveness, tolerance, all religion. So therefore, I usually see when I met some group of people or religious people, I raise the question whether religion relevant to today's world or not. Today, 21st century, our technology, all the material things highly developed. So, religion, whether relevant to today's world or not, big question. And then answer is, we need love. Machine cannot produce compassion. So therefore, religion still very relevant to humanity. Now that's the background. Now in such sort of situation, religious harmony is very essential. If we follow of different religion, fight each other, then I think people say, what use religious belief? It causing more division and causing killing. So therefore, firstly, religion relevant to today's world. A highly material development society still need religion, compassion still need. So therefore, where is the religious tradition? Still very relevant. And then the one religion, no matter how beautiful, not sufficient to 7 billion human beings. Firstly, about 1 billion non-believer, about 6 billion, suppose the believer's family or believer. So then, among the believers, now, unfortunately, there are conflict in the name of religion. And India's neighbor, east neighbor, Burma, Buddhist, Muslim, killing. Very bad, isn't it? When that first sort of quarrel between Burmese Muslim and Buddhist, you see, when first report comes, I was in America, and Time magazine shows one picture of Buddhist monk and then mentioned Buddhist terrorists.
Right. I understand. Yeah.
So we also may be Buddhist terrorists. So therefore, and then Middle East, and Shia and the Sunni killing each other. You see, both, you see, accept Allah and the Quran, 5 times prayer. Yet, small differences, the name of Shia and the Sunni killing each other. And Egypt, Christian, Muslim, some problem. So therefore, we really need special effort for promotion of religious harmony. Otherwise, you see, the only source which bring message of love itself now causing problem, killing, very bad. So, since, you see, some time back, I'm mentioning the Indian, Indian should be more active regarding promotion of religious harmony. So it is, I feel, and I think immoral, while our neighbors in Afghanistan, in Pakistan, and then say in Middle East, is in the name of religion killing each other. So while such things is going on, the Indian religious people ignore or are indifferent, remain indifferent. It's morally wrong. We should, whether we achieve or not, we should make effort to reduce these things. So, recently, firstly, I suggested some Muslim in Ladakh. They have very good harmony. I never heard here in India problem between Shia and Sunni. I never heard. So firstly, Indian Muslim should make some effort. Whether success or not, different matter. But at least we have to make some effort. So, the first national level in Delhi, now we're going to have some national level All India Muslims conference and inviting some member of Muslim countries embassy in New Delhi, and then if possible invite some Muslim from Iran or Saudi Arabia or so on. So now they're going to have, say, one meeting, firstly national level. Eventually, Indian Muslim should make effort to International Muslim Conference in India. Show them, firstly, close relation with other tradition. Besides that, among the Muslims, Shia and Sunni, no problem. India's religious sort of people, I think now should take more active role regarding promotion of religious closer understanding. So now this is a small group, but I consider as a seed. So seed can grow. So I very much appreciate